When it comes to weight loss, the idea of hitting the gym can feel overwhelming. The thought of fancy equipment, crowded spaces, and that one person who always seems to be lifting more than you can be intimidating. But here's the thing. You don't need a gym membership or a personal trainer to start your journey. You can do it right at home, and it can be simple and effective. Let's start with the basics. Body weight exercises. They're like the unsung heroes of fitness. You don't need anything but your own body. Push-ups, for instance. They're fantastic for building upper body strength. You can modify them to suit your level. If you can't do a full push-up yet, start on your knees. Just get moving. Then there are squats. They work your legs and glutes, and they can be done anywhere. You can even turn them into a game. How many can you do while waiting for your coffee to brew? And let's not forget about lunges. They're great for balance and coordination, and they can be done in your living room while watching your favorite show. Just step forward, lower your back knee, and switch legs. You'll feel the burn, and it's a good burn. Now, if you want to elevate your heart rate, jumping jacks are a classic. They get your blood pumping and can be done in a small space. You could even set a timer and do them for a minute, rest for 30 seconds, and repeat. It's a quick way to get your cardio in without needing a treadmill. Speaking of cardio, let's talk about high knees. Stand in place and bring your knees up to your chest as fast as you can. It's a great way to get your heart rate up, and it doesn't require any equipment. You can do it while listening to your favorite playlist, and before you know it, you'll be sweating and smiling. And then there's the wonderful world of yoga. It's not just for flexibility, it can help with strength and mindfulness too. You can find countless free videos online that guide you through routines. It's a great way to stretch out after a workout and calm your mind. Finally, let's not forget about the power of walking. Just put on your favorite podcast or music and stroll around your neighborhood. It's low impact, easy, and you can do it for as long as you want. So, there you have it. Simple, effective exercises that you can do at home. No fancy equipment, no gym intimidation. Just you, your determination, and the space around you. It's all about starting where you are and making it work for you.